Today, I'm going to show you the simple formula that can change everything about how you think about money and freedom. It's not a secret, but almost no one applies it consistently. I call it the wealth formula nobody talks about. That formula is income minus lifestyle equals freedom. And once you understand this formula and start using it, your entire financial picture changes. I'm Stephen Lee, a CPA and certified private wealth advisor, and today I'll show you exactly why most people never build wealth and how you can fix it starting right now. In my last video, I explained why most people never build wealth even if they make great money. Let's start with a quick truth. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a lifestyle alignment problem. Their income keeps going up, but so do their expenses. So instead of creating more freedom, their success just buys them nicer stress. Here's the illusion. You get a promotion, then you upgrade your car. You earn a bonus, and then you upgrade your apartment or you buy a house. You get a raise, spend more on self-care. And before you know it, you've trapped yourself at a higher lifestyle level, one that now requires every dollar you earn just to maintain. This is why most people never escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, no matter how big their paycheck gets. The wealth formula flips that dynamic completely. It's simple, but it's powerful. The formula, once again, is income minus your lifestyle equals freedom. And your income represents your ability to earn value. Your lifestyle represents how much of that you consume. And that difference, that gap, is your opportunity. The bigger the gap, the faster your freedom grows. The smaller the gap, the longer you stay stuck. So every dollar you don't spend isn't deprivation. Think of it as a seed that grows through compound interest, tax advantages, and opportunity. So how do you actually use this formula in your life? Step one, know your real numbers. Most people never track what they actually spend. So create a simple one-page snapshot, your total monthly income and your total lifestyle expenses. Step two, define your ideal lifestyle, not your default one. Your lifestyle shouldn't expand automatically every time your income does. Choose upgrades intentionally and tie them to meaningful goals. Step number three, grow the gap, then automate it. Direct a fixed percentage of your income, ideally 15% to 25%, into automated investments before your bills hit. This is how you turn the formula from a theory into a habit. The math is simple, the discipline isn't. But that's what separates financial stress from financial freedom. Let me give you a real example. One of my clients, a 1099 physician, we'll call him Mark, owned a growing locums practice. He made great money, but every time revenue jumped, so did his spending and his lifestyle. Once we applied this formula, everything changed. We set his salary at a consistent level, automated 25% into investments, and held lifestyle steady for 12 months. That single change increased his net worth by over $120,000 in one single year without earning a single extra client. That's the power of income minus lifestyle equals freedom, knowing that formula. Freedom isn't about cutting back, it's about control. When you master this formula, you stop chasing raises to cover your spending. Instead, every raise, every win, every tax break becomes more freedom. The formula doesn't care what you earn, it only cares about what you keep and what you do with it. And once you realize that, you'll see wealth differently. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and living intentionally. And if you're a business owner or a professional who's ready to go beyond the basics to actually master this formula inside your own business or personal life, apply for my Business Owner Bootcamp. In this program, I teach business owners exactly how to build systems, maximize income, control lifestyle costs, and create freedom through tax strategy and smart investing. You'll learn how to pay yourself efficiently, structure your business properly, and grow real wealth, not just revenue. Apply today. I'll leave a link in the description and comments below. In the next video, we'll take this formula one step further And I'll show you how to save and invest $500 per month without cutting everything you love. This is where the formula becomes actionable. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notifications so you don't miss that video. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep that counts. Until next time, bye.